Thanks for joining us on this Independence Day. You probably know the rules of the road. Stop at red lights and stop signs, don't go over the speed limit, and stay in your lane. But do you know what laws for operating boats are? If you don't, you're not alone. Today, the Oneida County Sheriff's Office patrol team was out on lakes all around the county, making sure people follow the laws and stay safe. The 4th of July brings boaters onto the lakes, including the Oneida County Sheriff's Office Patrol Squad.
Hi there, how are you? Just looking for people being safe and any violations out on the water.
Warm temperatures,
nice weather, people are up and they're out.
Mean a busy day for officers.
They needed extra people, so I volunteered to come out today and help out with boat patrol.
Patrolling the water is similar to patrolling the roads.
Well, we have to come up next to them and get whatever paperwork we may need from them for registration if need be, identification.
But there are some differences. It's pretty evident what you can and can't do on the road. People often don't know the rules of the water.
I would say, generally speaking, a lot of people don't know the boating laws. You got to be 200 feet from shore and you're way closer than 200 feet.
There's typically one recreational officer patrolling lakes, ATV trails, or snowmobile trails on any day. But on a hot day like today, other officers welcome the chance to get out on the water.
I enjoy this. It's different. It's nice getting out, and seems like we have more contacts when we're out on the boat than sometimes just doing regular patrol work. Take care.
Oneida County Sheriff's officers will be out patrolling the lakes until around midnight tonight.